got my ruler, I've got my marker, or a pen is fine, and some markers to color later. All right, so we're gonna make 6 boxes on here, okay? Be really easy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line down the middle this way, okay? So I'm just gonna take my ruler, go super gentle. All right, there's my line. Now we're gonna make 2 lines going this way, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of guess. It's about 1/3 of my page. It's okay if it's not perfect. All right, 1 line. 2 line. And that's it for my ruler. All right, like I said, we're gonna draw 6 different kinds of leaves today, okay? We'll start a little bit easy, and then we'll turn a little bit harder by the end, but it'll be really pretty, okay? So this first one in this box, all of our leaves are gonna start with 1 big curve, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the corner and draw a curved line just like this. All right, this one we're gonna make almost like a big circle. So we'll start right here on the bottom. We're gonna draw a curved line from here to the top, all right? To the top, and we're gonna draw the same thing on the other side, all right? So a curved line, just like this. All right, so now we're gonna draw some lines in the middle of our leaf, because a lot of leaves just draw a V. So at that same line, straight line up, all right? Go up a little bit, straight line up. They're matching right here on this big line down the middle. Straight line up, straight line up. They look like L's. All right, so here's leaf number 1. We're gonna do leaf number 2. Starting with that curved line from the bottom to the top corner, all right? That curved line, just like this. This one was a little bit more round. We're gonna make this one a little bit more curved, okay? So starting here, we're gonna draw a line to the top. Gonna first make it big, and then try and go pointed to the top here, okay? All right, so you see how we curved in just like this? We're gonna do the same thing up here. Go out like a big circle and then draw a straight line towards the top. Okay, so we're gonna draw those lines in the middle, right here. But instead of starting here, we're gonna go up a little bit and make them different. So another big line, another big straight line, another big straight line. See how they're starting at different points. The different points that start make it look kind of cool because all leaves look different, right? All right, so there's 1, 2, we're gonna go to 3. All right, we're gonna start that line, that curved line just like this. Now this one's different. Okay, we're gonna make 3 little leaves. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line here and we're gonna stop. So just a little line right here. And then we're gonna draw another little line right up here. So it looks like the inside, but it's gonna be a little bit different. So now we're gonna draw the outside. All right, so we're gonna start right about here. Draw a little oval, just like there on the outside. Same thing up here, we're gonna draw a little oval on the top. All right, we're gonna draw a little oval right on top. All right, so we got 3 different kinds of leaves here. We got some round ones, we got some pointed ones, got some little ones. Now we're gonna draw a leaf that's gonna look like a heart. All right, so again, start in this bottom corner, draw a line up, draw that curved line up. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna draw a heart. So it's gonna be, we're gonna curve down and draw this straight line up. It's gonna be like a J. All right, just like the letter J. We're gonna curve up just like this. All right, I'm gonna make my line a little bit darker. All right, you see how it's the letter J? So we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna do another J right here and draw this line towards the top. It's okay if it's not perfect. All right, so there's my J. See, it looks a little bit more like a heart. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna draw those lines. Just a little line and a little line up, and a little line and a little line up, and a little line and a little line up. They look like capital L's. You can make your lines look however you want. All right, we got 2 more. I'm gonna go in this box. Again, start with your big line. That curved line up, okay? So now we're gonna draw lines in the middle first. All right, so we're gonna pick a spot right here, just about an inch up. Gonna do a big line out and stop. All right, I'm gonna connect it in the middle here. Draw a big line up and stop. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. Draw a line out and stop. We're gonna make sure and stay in our box. And a big line up and stop and stay in our box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one big curved line, all right? One line that's gonna curve all the way around them. So we're gonna start right here below our lines that are the insides of our leaves and just do one curved line, kind of like a big bubble. Go in, go around, keep drawing our bubble, one big line, bubble, one big line, another bubble, one big line, stop. All right, see, so it's like a big bubble, but it looks just like a lot more leaves. Okay, last one. It's gonna be just a little bit like this, but you'll see. All right, so same thing. Bottom to the top. All right, there's our line. We're gonna do the same thing right here. Big line out straight and a big line up. All right, again, they don't have to be perfect. Every leaf is different. And another big line out and another big line up. So this one we did curves like a bubble. This one instead, we're gonna do a bunch of swoops. All right, so it's gonna look kind of like waves. So we're gonna start right here, just below where our L shape is. And you're gonna draw like little waves, just like this, okay? Draw another curve, so then you gotta switch, you gotta go upside down. All right, swish, swish, swish. All right, so you make sure that your points, swish, swish, point. All right, do another little swish here. It's just like we're drawing those waves or a bunch of like little U's. There's a point, and sometimes it helps to try and make a point at the top of your leaf. And swish down, all right? Swish down. I stop there, it's okay. It kind of helps. Actually, it helps me if I start and stop a lot, okay? So U, point. There's a U, point. Another swoop. Another swoop. Another swoop. We just go around these lines. We got one more. All right, there's our leaves. All right, so now we're just gonna color them in. We're gonna take our markers, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color all the leaves and make them, I think, orange and yellow. All right, and then we're gonna color the outside. We're gonna make them opposite colors. So we'll make them green and blue. So then that way they stand out a lot better. So I'm gonna color in this one so I can show you, okay? All right. So I'm gonna get orange. I'm gonna color the inside of my leaf. The inside of it orange. All right. And then I'm gonna color the outside of it blue. Just so I can make it different colors. All right. So you guys can color it whatever color you want, but I like doing opposite colors because it makes the leaf stand out just a little bit better. All right. I'm gonna color it in kind of fast so you guys can see it, okay? All right, so there we go. So I'm gonna keep coloring these all in different oranges and yellows, and then I'm gonna use blues and greens so make sure that they're different colors.